Hello friends, my name is Arya Visa. Here I am show you some features of Windows and which are you are not know which keywords I am explaining you some feature some keywords. If you want to add keyboard in Windows Windows, then you can add like this, and also you can add emojis like so many, and you can write in Notepad also. Here, first click right click and go keyboard button. Select keyboard button and here is nothing. And after selecting keyboard, here you can see keyboard. And here there are some emojis which are you use so many. If you want to take a screenshot in Windows 10, then click on Windows button and search Snapping tool, and you can take a screenshot by Windows Snap, plus regular Snap, and from free from full screen also. If you want to just just before you can see there are no, and Snapping tool, you can take a screenshot of Windows triangle right angle like this. Control no, also Snapping tool, also you can take a screenshot like freeform. You can like this. Sorry, this type of screenshot will be taken. Snapping, and also you can take screenshot of full screen like this. This feature I really love in Windows, which is go to setting and dark theme. Search for theme. It is only available in Windows 10. Theme setting, theme and related settings. Here, scroll down. Uh, yeah, I here. Choose your color. Light. Here is light color. I love so much dark theme. That is why I am a take dark theme here. These features I really love because of simple gesture. You can take a screenshot by uh, three finger swap up, etc. I am showing. Just search for setting, and in setting devices in touchpad, touchpad in scroll down, and here you can see three finger gestures, and this is a so amazing switch app and show desktop launch window search. You can search this and this on these features because of simple gestures. You can take multiple views, show desktop, desktop, switch apps. You can by three fingers, right side, then switch apps. You can left side, then switch another apps. Fifth feature is a night light. If you are using laptop in night, then you this is features is a lot of useful for you. Go into settings and night light. Search for night light. I am turn on these features because of sim based features of Windows. Here you can take strains and etc. Schedule. If you want to schedule this, then you can take schedule this. If you want to turn on in, I don't want to schedule. If you want to save a screenshot in keyboard or in laptop, you can save it by clicking Windows plus Alt plus print screen. Go to settings and search for print screen. Use the print screen keyword. Here is the print screen shortcut. Turn on these features and if you want to take a screenshot, then Windows Alt plus integer PTR screenshot will be saved. The print screen. If you want to show this screenshot and click on this, you can see the screenshot. Here is a screenshot. If you are using laptop in PC in your office or in college or uh, if you want to go some few hours uh, take rest, then you are lock your screen immediately by using the E Windows Alt plus Windows plus by using E Windows plus L. Using this, you are benefit for this is 8. In 8, we can dynamic update when we are go of 2 or 5 minute out or not using for laptop and we are going to take water or taste something, then your PC is you are forgot to shut down your PC, then it is automatically uh, shut down or it is automatically lock your PC u- using your mobile Bluetooth. First you want to log in here m- Windows, Android. Guys, here you can log in with Microsoft and using this you are benefit for something based here in Windows 10 you can set up means manage your memory. First go to settings and if you are not using this temporary files, and if you want to delete, then you can delete. Storage, search for storage management, storage setting, and here there are so many temporary files. You can delete these temporary files. If your data is more than 13 days in temporary files, then it is automatically deleted from the temporary files. Here are view documents. There are so many files. If you want to rotate your Windows 10 screen, then it can be do. If you search in online or in Google, then it is show you that this features is not in uh, Windows 10, but it is there. If you, I am so many search and I found these features. Just click on this battery two two or three times, click on battery right list, and here is a Windows Mobility Center, and here you can rotate your screen, which you can do. Rotate your screen, rotate your screen, rotate your screen. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share also in your friends, because these features is not available in online or offline. If you find, then comment me, and please write something, comment thank you, yeah, something, then I am happy. And if you want to create a virtual machine, then tap Control Windows Control plus D. You can create new Windows. If you want to switch back to the Windows, then Windows plus Control plus right arrow. You can back to this Windows. And if you want to back this created Windows, then Control Windows, Windows Control plus left arrow. Here you can switch right arrow. If you want to delete this virtual which is created, then Windows Control plus F4. This is a deleted. If you want to